All right, in this video, we're going to look at manipulating strings. Now, Python does not have a substring method, but it does use slicing to get sections of values from strings and arrays. Remember, strings are essentially an array in Python. So if we have our s equals comp sci, and we use any of these substrings or slicing tools down here, we can get parts of comp sci when we say print 1, and then we say we have s colon 0 colon 2. We're telling it to start at 0 and go to 2, and that's going to give us a printout. So if we look, when it says starting at 0 and go to 2, it means get to 2, but don't put 2 in there. So here we have 1 through 4. So we would start at 1, which would be the O, and go through 4. But it doesn't mean include the 4. It's just the OMP. Okay, so let's look at how that works when we run this. So I've gone ahead and I've typed this in. Now remember, guys, you do not have to type everything individually. You could always type the first one, do a copy, and I just did Control C, and then you go in here and do Control V, change this to match what you want it to be. And then this way you are keeping the correct syntax, but you're not having to type everything over and over again. So just remember, Control C, Control V, copy paste, it's your friend. Okay, so I've gone in and I've typed all this up, and now I'm going to run it. And there's a little bit of problem with my Python. You should not get that error. I have the error because I have uninstalled and reinstalled and uninstalled and reinstalled Python so many times on my computer and put new versions of it that somehow I've kind of messed up my pathways. So it is something that I need to fix, but it's nothing that you need to concern yourselves with. So if we look at this, and we can set these next to each other so that we can look at these prints. I have print 1, CO. I started at 0, which is C, and I went through 2, but I did not include 2. So I just have 0, 1. Here I have 1, 4, and I start at 1, which is the O, and I go through 4, but I don't include the 4. So now I have 1, 2, 3. So play with this, go through it, check it, and let me know if you have any questions, and we will go over that.